Hello guys, this is Angie again and we're gonna go to make a food vlog again today guys. This is a kind of soup guys I'm doing today, and yeah, I show you here my ingredients. A simple ingredients or soup, but it's a really a this is my main ingredients guys, and yeah, so I'm gonna start to do this. Guys, when I'm making a pumpkin soup, I added carrots, make a nicer. Really, the first the onion. Let the aroma comes out, guys, and then add the pumpkin and the carrots. So we need to stir up and then leave for a few seconds, and then can add the broth or the chicken broth. I use a chicken broth about a half cup, and then add some water to let it boil and then become scoop or soften the pumpkin and the carrots. So this is the way I'm making a pumpkin soup, guys. Then this is the chicken broth, guys, and then add water also, and then cover. Then put high about 5 minutes, and then turn to low heat or medium heat. Then leave it until the thing is softened. To check the soup, because sometimes it's the hard one to cook here is the carrots, guys. I think can already. So it's can, so let it cool down first, and then we blend, guys. Leave it first for about 1 minute. So next step gagawin natin, guys. So we need to blend the pumpkin now. It's cooled down already. So ready for blending, guys. So I show you other thing I add here to make this one is the half cup milk, guys. I add here. Then a fresh milk, and then this is cream. I add 1 tablespoon to make thicken. Then if not enough, just add more. So let's do. So this is really easy to make, guys. So it's so easy to make once you have all gathered the things, the ingredients for one hot soup. And there are really only four main steps, guys. You need to chop, saute, simmer, and blend. That's all. That's as complicated as it gets. But it's not problem, guys, if you really happy or enjoy. Wow, so creamy, guys. So let's give it a try, guys. So I scoop some. Yum, yum. Pepper. So it is mixing, guys. There you go. Wow. Let's give it a try. Wow. Mmm. So really yummy, guys. Mmm. Wow. Guys, so the inside the description box, guys, I just write down the ingredients there and the methods how to do this one, my version, guys. So this is a carrots and pumpkin soup, guys. So this is a really wholesome, nutritious, and delicious. there is nothing more comforting in the fall than a creamy, but a creamy bowl of soup, and is quick and easy to make, guys. So flavorful, healthy, and so good. Really. So big thumbs up, guys, and please uh, hit the button likes and what's that? Subscribes and write down your comment down below, guys. And I always thank you very much for your supports in this channel, guys. So please support me, guys. And yeah, so see you next time, guys. Bye. And then, yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, today.